The TI-84 Evo has a built-in fraction key. Here's how to use it. Press the fraction key right next to math. You get an empty fraction, cursor on top. Type the top number, 1. Arrow down, type 2. That's 1/2. Press right to exit the fraction. Don't skip that, or everything you type lands in the denominator. These work in any calculation. Press plus and build 1/3 the same way. Enter. The answer comes back as a fraction, 5/6. Want the decimal? Press the toggle key next to the 3. Done. Press it again to flip back. It converts typed decimals too. Type 0.25, hit enter, then toggle. 1/4. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.